Hello. What are you doing here? Oh.
Oh, the SC2 share, right? The time that one they buy back.
Yeah, I think so. That's why I also lost everything. I didn't do anything. So
There's the SC2, right?
that's why they give you back in your CPF money.
Oh.
But now you only have the SC1. That's why I realized only 100 share. The 500, 600, don't know whatever. Rubbish.